8. While Jesus went to the Mount of Olives, but early in the morning he arrived again in the temple area, and all the people started coming to him and sat down and taught them. Then the scribes and the Pharisees brought a woman who had been caught in adultery and made her stand in the middle. They said to him, "Teacher, this woman is caught in the very act of committing adultery. Now in the law of Moses commanded us to stone such women, so what do you say?" They said to this they said this to test him, so that they could have some charge to bring against him. Jesus bent down and began to write on the ground with his finger. But when they continued asking him, he straightened up and said to them, "Let the one among you who is without sin be the first to throw a stone at her." Again he bent down and wrote on the ground, and in response they went away one by one, beginning with the elders. So he was left alone with the woman before him. Then Jesus straightened up and said to her, "Woman, where are they? Has no one condemned you?" She replied, "No one, sir." Then Jesus said, "Neither do I condemn you. Go, from now on, do not sin anymore." Jesus spoke to them again, saying, "I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will not walk in darkness, but will have the light." So the Pharisees said to him, "You testify on your own behalf, so your testimony cannot be verified." Jesus answered and said to them, "Even if I do testify on my own behalf, my testimony can be verified because I know where I came from and where I'm going. But you do not know where I am come from or where I am going. You judge by appearance, but I do not judge anyone. And even if I should judge, my judgment is valid because I am not alone, but it is I and the Father who sent me. Even in your law it is written that the testimony of two men can be verified. I testify on my behalf, and so does the Father who sent me." So they said to him, "Where is your Father?" Jesus answered, "You know neither me nor my Father. If you know me, you would know my Father also." He spoke these words while teaching in the treasury in the temple area, but no one arrested him because his hour had not yet come. Jesus, the Father's ambassador, he said to them again, "I am going away and you will look for me, but you will die in your sin. Where I am going, you cannot come." So again, he said to them again, "I am going away and you will look for me, but you will die in your sin. Where I am going, you cannot come." So the Jews said, "He's not going to kill himself, is he? Because he said, 'Where I am going, you cannot come.'" He said to them, "You belong to what is below. I belong to what is above. You belong to this world, but I do not belong to this world." Again, Jesus said to the Jews, "He's not going to kill himself, is he? Because he said, 'Where I'm going,